What is up, guys? Gaming Family here, and today we are doing a full restoration on this $15 bloated battery iPhone 5C. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. I have the phone right here with this massive bulged battery. The screen's already kind of coming off of it because it literally ripped off the actual screws on the bottom. So we're gonna have to take those out. I have my replacement battery and my screen, and yeah, I also have my replacement brackets over there. So let's go ahead, let's get started. First, we're gonna take out these bottom screws. There we go. Look at that battery. That is ridiculous. Go ahead and take the screen off, and we're gonna test the screen a little bit later. See if it's working. Now this battery, this is one of the biggest bloated batteries that I've ever seen. That's incredible. So now I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and just pry it out because those pull tabs are pretty much useless. And yes, this bracket up here was missing when I got the phone. So I have no idea if this is working or not. All right. That is ridiculous. All right. So I think I'm actually gonna just reuse these because they're still fine. They still work fine, so we'll go ahead, we'll plug in this new battery. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the new screen. This battery's probably dead. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up, and I will cut back the video once it's all charged up. Oh, there we go. All right. That's a good sign right there. Now I'm pretty sure this screen will work, but I sadly can't use it because it is like snapped. Right here it's coming from apart from the glass, and there's a piece snapped right here. So I can't use it sadly, but maybe I could use it as like a test screen or something. All right, here we go. The phone is on. Everything seems to be working good. There we go. Let me make sure I put the screen down so I can use the home button. Yep, home button does work. Alright, let's go ahead and go into settings. And there we go. iPhone 5C, 16 GB on iOS 10.3.4. Alright. Let's go ahead, let's unplug this. Turn it off. Let's go ahead and put it all back together. quick wipe up right here. Make sure everything's down in place. We can go ahead and close up the phone. And then let's go ahead, we'll put in the bottom screws. And that's it. We're done. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. A lot of stuff has been happening. Shipping's been delayed. All kinds of crap. But yeah, I will soon be very active with lots of amazing projects coming soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.